Hey everybody, this is ARME Viva Robots doing a little experiment with surface finishes and bed treatments in order to get better surface finishes on the bed, as well as better adhesion so we don't have peel up on the corners of large flat prints. So this here is the ARME Viva Robots logo getting printed. It's actually going to be a button that we're going to wear at Maker Faire 2012 Vancouver at the P&A Forum on the 23rd and 24th. There's a little shameless plug. So what I've done in this particular print, I've got regular blue tape down, which everybody will recognize, but I've been having some adhesion problems. Part of it is because I'm using this mixed shop PLA, and I'm not going to say anything more than I'm using the most recent batch of mixed shop PLA that hasn't worked out so well. It's just not as sticky to the bed, and also it's got some problems with temperatures. You have to run a little bit cooler than regular, so I wonder if maybe there's a copolymer in there that's not quite the right thing. But all that aside, it's been making great mechanical parts, so I can't really complain too much. Surface finish just isn't there. But one problem I have had with it is it seems like it expands and contracts a little bit more with heat than regular polylactide does. So I've been trying all kinds of crazy crap in order to get it to stick better. And most recently I've been experimenting with different surface treatments. So there, I just talked in a gigantic circle. So today's experiment was two different experiments actually. The first one was I tried to use PVA, which some of you might recognize as plain old white glue. So PVA worked okay. It improved the surface adhesion a little bit, but it's nothing, and I mean literally nothing compared to what I'm using right now. So what I'm using right now is this little juice right here. Let's turn away in my messy garage. So what this is a dollop, that's a very technical measurement term, of this wonderful stuff, Weldbond. So just a dollop of that, I'd say like a half a teaspoon in about a couple tablespoons of water, I guess. Real accurate. The quantities aren't really that important. And then I use a paintbrush to apply it to the blue tape. So when you apply the blue tape, you apply this sluice to the slurry, to the blue tape, it actually comes out, it's completely dissolved. I shouldn't say slurry. When you apply that to the blue tape and then turn your fan and heated bed on, it disappears. It's gone. You can't tell at all that it's even there. And you need the most minute of amounts to get the effect that we're talking about. And this amazing effect is you will not be able to peel your part off of the blue tape without tearing off your blue tape. That sounds like a bad thing, except you will not be able to peel up your corners from thermal contraction while you're printing either. You get an amazing bond to the table. So obviously blue tape's not the perfect substrate because its glue actually isn't so hot either, and it's peeling off my aluminum print bed. So the next step is glass sheet. So I have a glass sheet here that I'm going to switch to next. Everybody get motion sickness there? So you can see I got blue tape on side, and I've got on the flip side everybody's favorite ABS material, Kapton. So what we're going to do after this is I'm going to use the pure glass side. I'm going to use this, or I don't know, maybe here. Haven't decided yet. Whichever I end up getting better thermal transmission through. And I'm going to try that same treatment, because if I can get glass that does not require 150 degrees C to stick, I'm going to be one happy camper. That's ARME Viva Robots out. I'll fill you in later on how this